have to pick your own.
Picking our own veggies. Get a tomato plant and grow our own tomatoes.
They need to be outside though.
Oh, there's baby. Oh, can we get a baby? Can we get a real life baby Christmas tree though? Like one we could put like on somewhere, like a baby one. You know? I really like it here. I've never been here before. Show it up. We've got our veggies and fruit. Oh, there's an apple. Oh no, apple tree. Alex has got the goods.
Got the goods from the pick your own.
Got the crates. Got our own little box now. We're going to come back here and reuse it. Alex is packing away our goods. Oh, there's our big potato. We've got our crate. I quite like the crate. We'll put it in the cupboard. Oh. Yeah, go on then. Come there. Oh! We got some oranges. Avocado. Corn. I'm excited to try real corn. Corn. And garlic. This is just a random vlog today. We did actually want to go to Pick Your Own, but it was closed, so we ended up just going to the little shop instead. And we've got some veggies. I'm just checking where he's put the veggies. When it comes to the fridge, I've got a little bit of OCD. Just a little bit. Okay, that's alright. We're going to make a sandwich and we're going to head out and we're going to play some pool. So we're just going to have some lunch. And then time for pool. Lunch is done. We've got a Marmite sandwich, crisps, and chocolate. Perfect lunch. Guess who won at the pool?
Me.
Me. So we both won, we're both winners. It's all about taking part.
Yeah.
Cute. No, I won 2 and you won 2. See? Oh, darling. We're going to show the vlog what you've done. Chef. You're our chef, aren't you? Oh, sorry, look at my pajamas, Darcy. Check these out. 1 whole year. But we're going to show them the finale. Cooking with Alex.
But I messed this up.
Everyone's going to
This ain't going up. So, oh, look what Bryony cooked.
If the video ends here, you know why.
Good.
That's good. It's good mushrooms. It's good salsa.
Out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Okay.